How to fix reduce visual effect in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility and then click on motion. Now here you can turn on your reduce motion. After turning on your reduce motion, then simply turn off autoplay animated images. After turning this button off, then turn off messages play effect, and after that turn off autoplay video previews. After turn off these options, then go back and click on display and text size and then turn on reduce transparency. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.